cheese, fresh basil. I cut my bread, I cut my cheese, and I start putting my grilled cheese sandwich together. Like that. Chefs